Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. Today in this video I'll teach you about how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. In our previous video on AP, we get to know about how to find the first term of an AP, common difference of an AP and nth term of an AP. So this is a very important video from exam point of view also, where a lot of questions are asked on how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. So be attentive and let's proceed how to find the sum of n terms of a AP. Sum of n terms basically is a very important formula in which you are given a equation as like first this is an AP given to you, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. This is a very basic AP of all the odd terms in it, and you are asked to do the sum of these AP. So first, how we will proceed on this question is, first we will check the value of A, which is first term, which is clearly shown here as 1, and secondly we will calculate the value of D, which is 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So after getting the value of A and D, we will use the formula of sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The d here is 2. N by 2, 2 into 1. After putting the value of a and d in the equation, n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So this 2 will is n square. So sum of, we are getting a very important relation here is sum of odd terms, sum of all odd terms will be equal to n square. I am giving you one assignment on this. You have to find all the sum of all even terms. Basically I sold here as sum of odd terms, and assignment for you will be sum of all even terms, which are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, goes up to n. So you have to use the formula of sum of n terms after getting the value of a, d. So you can use directly the formula after that by getting the value of a and d. If you still face any issue, please comment in the comment section. So student, here is one more question on finding sum of n terms of an AP. Here we have to find the sum of first 22 terms of AP, and AP is given as 8, 3, minus 2. So as you all know, the first step would be to find the value of A, which is our first term, will be 8. And second step will be to find the value of common difference. This is 3 minus 8 or minus 2 minus 3, which is coming as minus 5. So after getting values of A and D, we will put this directly in the equation S equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, and we have the value of Sn as 22, which is 22 by 2, 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into d is minus 5. Okay, so after solving this, you will get 16 plus 21 into minus 5, which is 11 into 16 minus 105, which will be equal to 11 into minus 89. So you will get after solving this as minus 979. So this is a sum of 22 terms of the AP, this AP. I hope you guys are clear now. If you still face any issue, so please comment in the comment section. Okay, this is a very simple question on AP, which might ask you in exams. Okay, so student, here is one more question for you. It is a different question from the previous one. Here we are given as AP given as 24, 21 and 18, and we have to find the how many terms must be taken so that their sum is 78. We are given as sum of n terms is given as 78, and we have to find the value of n for which sum will be equal to 78. So we will directly use the formula of Sn equal n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Firstly, we will check value of a is 24 here. I hope this is very easy for you to check the value of a and d from this AP. Okay, so I'll write the sum as 78. N by 2, we have to find the value of n. 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So this is n by 2, 48 minus 3n plus 3. So after solving it here, 78 will be equals to n by 2, 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Taking value of 2 there, this is 156 equal 51n minus 3n square. So student, here coming it as a quadratic equation, which I taught you in my previous videos also. So you can go there if you still face any issue to solve the quadratic equation, and you can check from there also. 156 plus 3n square minus 51n equals to 0. So how to solve this quadratic equation? 3n square minus 51n plus 156. So let me solve it. Taking 3 as common, n square minus 17n plus 52. So this is coming at n square minus 17n plus 52. But simply taking the formula, applying the formula of splitting the middle number in two values such that the sum will be equal to 17 and the product will be equal to 52. So I am splitting this series as n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 equals 0. So this is coming out to be, taking n common, n minus 13 minus 4 common, n minus 13, n minus 4 into n minus 13 equals 0. So we are getting the value of n equal either 4 or 13. So we are getting two answers here. What was the equation we were given? Like, was (24, 21, 18). So if I put the value of n, here it is a1, a2, a3. So a4 will be 15. So you can check that sum of all these terms would make it equals to 78. And if you write the more terms like 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6 means up to 13 terms. These are 5, 10, minus 12. Okay, this will also makes the sum as 78. You can cross verify it. So student, this was a typical example which you might get asked in exams. So be prepared for that. In case of any doubt, please comment in the comment sections. Thank you.